Hey everyone, my name is Daniel's Hawk and I am in 5th grade. So today we're gonna be doing something special. Now we're in a quarantine and we can't go outside and So today I'm gonna be doing something fun and new. So stay tuned and watch this video. Have some fun! We're gonna be doing a confetti. So what do we need for the confetti? We need balloons, tape, a toilet paper without some toilet paper, this thing, and scissors, and some colored paper. So we're gonna be using, first thing is the paper and the scissors. So let's take these on the side. So I'm going to be cutting these papers into whatever shape I want. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! So I decided to do some hearts, because who doesn't like hearts? So, I just cut it, and then we're gonna bring this toilet paper and our scissor, balloon, and tape. We're gonna put this aside a little bit, here. So I took a balloon from the bag and I'm gonna cut it. This is a small place. And then I'm gonna have this toilet paper and apply it on it like this. I'm gonna put some tape so the balloon can get out of the toilet paper. Let's see it here. Here's it! Woohoo! So, it's like this. So I bought the confetti. And I'm gonna put it inside here. So, are you ready to begin the party? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! There's more. Yeah! It's fun, guys. It's fun. So you can't go to the supermarket and just go to the supermarket to just get a confetti. No, you can do it at home. It's DIY. So bye, guys.